Okay, so here's my progress with StenoCycle for today. Let's see, I made a lot fewer cars. You should rarely have to move 2 lanes in a single space. I put so now there used to just be 3 lines of text, and you had one of them would make you move up, one of them would make you move down, and the other one in the middle would turn straight, and that I found was surprisingly confusing. Um, so now you just type on the lane that you want to drive on. So need, run, possible, people, still, 1, 2. Wow, that was close. While, end, these, still. That's the other thing I did. I also made the collision detection actually be pretty reasonable change. Still say little school before would from help take their thing or between much youth throw good she can seem so this late man large present both interest during work or again seem school interest have can but there a place should I be also way one become be domestic. So anyway, yeah, I'm finding I can go a lot faster on this one, and it's getting there. This is it working in Firefox, so I fixed those bugs too.